Hi. It will be a little bit difficult to go from Macedonian to English, but bear with us. We will manage, hopefully. So, yeah, whatever. Excellent. So, we are coming. Okay, don't waste my time. Okay, I see it. Okay, I'm joking. So, hi guys. We are coming from the company Inellipse, and we are here to present our product Awesome, and which is awesome. That's why we called it Awesome. So it's a workplace messaging integration for developer teams. And let me give you a little bit of background of what is workplace messaging and how we use it today. So before, some years ago, the workplace communication and intra-team communication was via Skype, via email, lengthy forwards of emails, and communication between different team members in different areas. Currently, the workplace or enterprise messaging has changed how we collaborate and how we work in our workplace. So currently, everything is message, everything is written down, everything is shared, everything is done in one place. So here is an example of typical software developer desktop. On the right side, you see the developer environment, so where he works. But on the left side, you see the communication environment. So that's where the team communicates, exchanges information, exchanges documents, and in general communicates with intra-office or intra-team communication. So, for example, in our team, in Ellipse, about 30 team members, we exchange around 5,000 messages per week, which is a lot. So everything communicated is written down, and everything is on one or more messaging platforms. What is the problem that we are trying to solve? So resources management is a very everyday task now. So everyday task for every developer, everyday task for every tester, whatever. And cloud resources management tasks are complex and time consuming, and even with shortcuts and workarounds, and if you have more experience, you can cut the time down, but it's around 5 to 10 minutes per day that average developer spends in resources management. And on the other hand, cloud resources are expensive. The advertisement says that cloud resources do have lower prices, but they have lower prices if you use them wisely. If they run without you using them, then they're expensive. So integrating solutions that save time and money within their workplace messaging platform is a natural fit. Let me give you an example how that 5 to 10 minutes are wasted. So if you want to start, let's say, virtual machine in Amazon Cloud, you need to do several clicks every time. So you need to go to EC2, you need to check the part of instances, then you need to find the appropriate instance within your all instances in your cloud, then you need to right-click, start this virtual machine, and then you wait for it to be started. So it's a complex, very boring, long process. What is our solution? Do your task within your workplace messaging app. So you are already there, you're communicating with your team members, everything is there. Why not control your cloud resources within your messaging app? So we created Awesome. Awesome is a set of commands written in your most popular or whatever wanted workplace platform. For example, start Amazon server, or start a Jenkins server, or attach EBS volume, or, for example, start a Docker container. So everything is done on message, and the developer doesn't leave the environment. Currently, awesome.dev is preparing for MVP, and we are integrating it, and we have already integrated the 3 most popular cloud messaging platforms, that is Slack, Google Hangouts, and Microsoft Teams, and with 3 biggest cloud providers, which is Amazon Cloud, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure. What is the potential customer base? So it's around 250 million users that are already using only 4 of these platforms, and around 5% of them are developers. So we are expecting that we can service around 1% of those with 2 full-time developers, which gets us around 200,000 possible users. What is the competition? Currently, there is a variety of similar products, but most of them do have only one workplace messaging app, like primarily Slack on the left is most popular, and the most popular cloud provider is Amazon AWS. Only Blue Medora is Microsoft Teams integrated and Microsoft Azure integrated. And as you can see, Awesome is integrated with the 3 most popular workplace messaging apps and with 3 most popular cloud providers. How we'll reach our customers? So our main starting sales channels will be the app directories of the workplace messaging apps, and conversion will be done by freemium approach. So we will allow users to start using the product and then to upgrade to paying tier if they want to use more cloud providers or more services. We will initially start to aim this product toward developer teams. So our main goal is to go to explain to the CTO of the company that our product will save time for the developers. So the calculation is easy, that we will save at least 2-3 hours per day, per month, per developer per month. So it will be a no-brainer for a purchase. For the first year goal, we would like to approach, and we plan to have around 2,000 paying users. So these are the standard tiers of the pricing plan. So where are we now? Last year in December, we started the Awesome free beta and integrated only with Slack and AWS. As of today, we have around 544 users, which around 60 are daily active users. So they're using it daily active. And from our questionnaire communication with these customers of ours, 5 of them would pay for this product. So we have around 1% of the install base that is prepared to pay. We are planning to launch in September this year, and we would like to partner around this autumn. For the next year, we would like to approach, and we are planning to approach around 200,000 freemium users that will allow us to have 2,000 paying users that will allow us to have 10,000 euros MRR. Who are we? Ilya Joevski, founder, Blagoje Juca, Goce Bogojevski, and Elena Gagacheva from Inellipse, and our advisor, William Bill Murphy from Canada. What we need? We look for smart money and support for global market. So that is our need and goal. Thank you very much, and stay awesome. Yeah, we'll use it in questions. Yeah.
So it's the time for the questioning. Yeah. The investment committee has the priority in this case. Any dilemmas which are still open? Or shall we open the floor for the other ones as well?
I have a single question which is similar to my question to the previous team. Those 500 users, current users, right?
Yeah. 544.
544.
Yeah.
So how did you attain them?
Yeah, so with no marketing at all. So when you put an integration on the messaging platform, for example, we have only integration for the free beta, we have only integration with Slack. So the users can search possible integration from their app directory. So these users found us by their own on the app directory, and they installed the app. So no marketing, no emails, no nothing. So that is the primary way of how users can find out which integrations are possible for their messaging workplace app. So only through app directory.
And how frequent these users are? Are they daily users? Are they?
So the daily active users are counted. The users that are using the integrations on a daily basis. So all of them have tried and used the apps, all these 544. But around 60 of them use this product on a daily basis. So we see this, and they obviously have, they're seeing the value, and they're using it every day. And we have approached them, and we questionnaire the users what they like, what they propose for feature set, and would they pay. For example, around 5 of them were expressing interest that they would pay for these services. So we have around 1% of the install base, which was more or less what we expected.
If I may, about so the users that you have now are users which have installed Awesome themselves,
Yeah.
as personal users, while your sales program, let's say, the table for different types of customers is based on companies. What is the model, the freemium model or the paying model for individual users?
So not so much by the individual users, by teams. We are looking at the teams. The idea is, and our plan is, and the research was done, that individual developers will not pay for this product. It will be very difficult for individual developer to say that I will save 2 hours per month for this, and I will pay for this product. Our aim is to go to the developer companies, which then they can see the value of saving time of every developer every month, and they will be prepared to pay for this product. So our target persons of interest are CTOs, so or the project leads or the team leads that are looking to optimize the work of their team members. So developers here that are counted are individual developers, and they are in 1 or more teams. And the daily active developers are the developers that are using the app. That is why but the pricing scheme would be by developer, which is part of a team. So it will be easy to calculate by the CTO that he will say, I have 5 licenses for this, and I will pay 25 euros per month, whatever, for this product, and I will save at least 5 times per 2 hours of my developers. It will be easy to calculate how much money they will spend. They will save.
Would that mean that at some point you will quit selling or providing the service to individual users?
No. Individual users can continue using this product, and they can pay if they want it. But our sale and marketing, let's say, efforts will be not towards individuals.
My question is more, how do you control 10 individual developers from one company?
They are part of a
to
team.
Buy the...
No, it's not.
At the moment when they are part of a team, then you'll need to charge them.
Yeah.
Just one technical question. At this moment, if somebody wants your product, where and how they can get it? Do they need to contact you directly?
Yeah, so currently, if they want our product currently is in free beta, so they can install the free beta. The MVP is still not publicly launched, and they need to just to authorize the integration within their workplace messaging app. So installation is just 1 click. So all the workplace messaging apps like Slack, Microsoft Teams, or Google Hangouts, or for example Cisco WebEx, they have very simple integration procedure, which is for Slack only 1 click in order the team to authorize this integration that can be used in their workplace. So the developers or the people that want to use these integrations, they need to find it somehow. Currently they are finding it on the app directory. In future we will advertise, we will market and everything, and then they need to authorize it with 1 click. After that they will go into freemium mode, so they will start using the features with limited functionalities, and if they want, they can upgrade to a paid tier in order to have all the cloud support, all the messaging support. So we will not have any significant effort in onboarding users.
And any idea for the future how you're going to promote it, how you're going to target your customers?
Yeah, so there are 2 ways of promoting. One way is through the messaging ecosystem. So you go through users of Slack, Microsoft Teams, Google Hangouts, And the other mode is go through the cloud providers. So you go to users of Amazon, you go to users of Google Cloud or Microsoft Azure, and you advertise this possibility of easy management of resources within their ecosystem and clouds. So online marketing, email marketing, fairs, standard blog posts, so online efforts for getting the information through the end user in order to be. Our goal is in year or two to be #1 integration on the app directories. Currently, when you search for Amazon on Slack app directory, we are first proposal.
Have you tested the benefits for the company? So have you had a trial with the company to test the benefits of the product?
So far, the testing is done via free users, and we get the feedback from them via questionnaires. So currently, the users are our promoters within the company. We have yet to come to the CTOs and promote this from the top down.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.